What's up, guys? We're out here at the number 6 cruise, Wednesday night cruise. It's at Sonic in Gretna. As you can see, we're posted up, posted up next to my Jetta, that slow thing. But this is Chase right here. I don't know if you guys have met him yet. He hasn't been in our videos or anything, but tell us what you're about. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I'm Chase Trego. I own a very, very humble, very small shop called Lethal Auto in Lincoln. And you might have seen me from Christian McMaster's videos. We're doing his 1JZ GT swapped FD3S, so be sure to check that out. Yeah, it's basically started by me and a really good friend, and we just loved imports, and we felt like that, hey, that was not appropriate at all. Don't do that again. But we just felt that there was there's a lot of people who wanted stuff done. There was the demand there, and we just thought we could step in and have a little fun. And I don't know, we'll see where it goes in the next few years. But
hell yeah! What kind of cars do you got?
I daily drive EK hatchback. It's K20Z1 swapped, 6-speed. And then I have 2 cars that I race. They're both broken at the moment because I'm a lame ass, but 1995 Mark IV Toyota Super Turbo. And I have a 1993 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4 that we're putting a 4G63 in. I'm a road race dweeb, so I'm really slow, but I like the cars that look cool and just turn well. So
hell yeah! Is that 4G63 out of a Eclipse or is it out of a Evo?
Yeah, so it is from a DSM. It's a 6-bolt. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say. Like, not as reliable as Evo 4 and up, but 4 through 9. But yeah, basically, a guy named Eric English started the swap. You might have seen him on the 1320 video, but he's actually almost chasing the record for fastest 3S, and he has full interior, and the car's going fast. It's way cheaper. You got way more room, way more reliable, more aftermarket support. I mean, why not? No spun rod bearings and stuff like that, like the 6G, but
crank walk, dude.
yeah, and the 7-bolt for sure. The 6-bolt doesn't really have that problem, but the problem is with 6-bolt, there's a lot less of them out there, and then a lot of people who have them don't want to give them up. So
yeah,
especially around here.
Do you have a YouTube channel for your company?
I don't have a YouTube channel yet. We have one, but we don't have any content pushed out yet. But it's called Lethal Auto TV.
Okay, I'll make sure to link that in the description.
Sure.
So
and then we have Instagram and Facebook. Just type in Lethal Auto. We'll be the first one to come up.
All right, cool. Yep. Yeah, and then I'll make sure to put Christian's channel down in the description. I think it's One Way or something like that.
Yes.
So okay, yeah, I'll make sure to link that in the description, and we'll show you around what we have here so far. It's only like 7:15. The meet just started, so, and then I think we're gonna go racing tonight. Here's some cars that we got here. Here's an Acura RSX, but it's badged up to a Honda Integra, which is the JDM portion of it. It's got some clean wheels on it with hand cooks. Pretty clean spoiler. Hell yeah. This thing's pretty clean, and then it's also got a real carbon fiber hood. That's pretty sweet. Oh, and there is an R32 right there, as you can see. It's so clean. Holy shit. Hell yeah. Ooh. Caesar, if any of the Skylines were legal, which one would you have?
R34.
Why?
Because they're sexy, dude.
I like the R33s, but they're not legal. I like the R32s too, I guess. They're pretty sweet. I like the body lines of these ones. They're pretty clean. Here's this K-swapped Civic. It's got a pretty nice sized turbo on it. This thing's pretty clean. For a daily, I'd whip this all day long. What you doing, bro?
What's up, bro?
Is that a Dodge Demon? Hell yeah. There's this old Nissan mini truck. It's bagged. Tyler, I think it's Tyler's boss's neighbor at the shop that does all these. These things are pretty badass. He has a bunch of them. It's an old Nissan hard body. It's bagged and everything. And he has fucking train horns in there. Hell yeah. Got a Miata. I was filming you taking a picture, bro.
Nice.
Here's another badass car. This is Mike Montgomery's supercharged Civic hatch. I just wish he was here so I could talk to him real quick, but I don't know exactly where he is. And we got this bag 5.0 and a Cobalt SS, but it's turboed. I like these ones more than the supercharged ones. Over here, there's nothing really special down on this end. The S10's bagged. That's Kenny Fairings or something like that. And then we got an Evo 8, and there's Fred's Harley Quinn down there, which has got a brand new setup. It's supercharged now with a new speed kit. On Wednesday night, there was a little Volkswagen get together at Sonic, and I went since I have a Mark V. He said he found that kit like 95% complete, which is fucking awesome. Because they stopped producing that kit like 15 years ago, he said. So that's pretty dope too.
All right.
Blue Evo S14, WRX STI, Prelude, Caesar. Yeah, you know what, dude? I'm just gonna send it. I don't give a shit anymore. You know, we got this automatic GST, dude. Hell yeah, it's so fast. Dude. I can't believe it. 28 grand. Oh, oh, oh. Hey Sid, what do you think of this meat, bro?
It's pretty lit.
What's the definition of lit?
Fire.
What's the definition of fire?
Hot campfire. You remember camping? Do you have a wife?
Do you have a life?
I'm asking the real questions here. Oh shit. Why don't you LS swap your 240?
Because I don't want to.
Why?
Because
Give me one valid reason besides you're a JDM fanboy, dude.
Because it's a Japanese car. American engines don't belong in it. At least this one. Steering contest? Huh?
Oh my god. He just fucking touched his forehead on my lens. What a cool ass motor. We also have these two badass machines right here. Got a Lotus Elise and then an Audi R8. Ooh, this car is so clean, dude. I think this is my second time ever seeing one of these in real life. Oh, hell yeah. The cruise is actually getting ready to start here in like 25 minutes or so. So everyone's gearing up. Fred's new setup on his Harley Quinn. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure these Harley Quinns, they came with a 2-liter NA and with a new speed. I bet you it's only making like 120 wheel horsepower at say like 6 pounds of boost. What's up, guys? We're heading out for the cruise right now. We're on Highway 6, getting ready to get on I-80. Should be a fun time. I think there's gonna be some racing, so we'll let you guys know. We'll let you know when we're down there and shit, so peace out.
Who's that guy?
What's up, guys? We finally got down to downtown Omaha. As you can see, we're down here. Hey, gang, gang. There's Iowa. No one likes Iowa, let's be honest. We're waiting for some info on some racing and shit tonight. I don't know if we're doing that tonight or what's going on.
Look at it.
But is it bright as hell?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Salting cracker.
Holy shit.
Fuck, I blinded myself.
Dude, that's so bright, bro. That's Snap-on, bro. I swear to God.
You need to put like
Look at his face when he points it at himself.
Oh my God, that's so bright, dude. What's up, dude? Am I Asian looking?
Oh,
there we go.
Oh my God. That is bright as fuck.